To connect JBL Boombox 4 into the JBL application, first of all, you have to start by opening Google Play Store on your Android device, go to the search and input JBL Portable phrase. You can also find that in the quick recommendations. We have to click on this installation button, and right now we have to wait a little bit until it will be downloaded. Now, as you can see, we have to just open this application and you have to just connect this speaker into your phone. So you have to simply turn on the speaker by using this power key, and then after it will be turned on, click on the Bluetooth button once to activate the pairing mode. Now you have to just reach for the Bluetooth settings and connect this. Then you have to click to get started and accept these terms and the user's agreements. You have to click allow for scanning for nearby devices. And now, as you can see, once you actually connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, then we will be successfully connected. And that's basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.